do you want to start us off?
Do you think we should edit this part out?
Yeah, probably.
Okay. Hey guys, I'm Mr. Limley. I am one of your speech and debate coaches at Jim Bailey.
And I'm Mr. Lilly, and I'm the other one.
That's pretty simple there. So we're looking to start a speech and debate team, and we're hoping that you'll be interested in joining us. We'll be meeting every Wednesday at 8:30 to go over our practices. Of course, if you'd like to be involved, it's going to take some effort from you as well. Well, you'll be practicing at home too, but we'll meet up each Wednesday to kind of go over what we got going on.
As far as the actual competitions, they will be taking place on Saturday in a variety of different places, some of which will even be online for those of you that are still a little skittish about going to new places or interacting with people in the post-COVID era. I lost my train of thought and probably shouldn't have said that much.
I think it'll be fine. I'm not going to edit that part out either. All right, so debate versus speech. We are a speech and debate club. Essentially, the main concept is debating different topics. You can actually debate just by yourself, giving information. You could also debate against another person or even another team. If you're not really comfortable with debating against people, we also have speeches where you can rehearse a speech, practice it, and give a speech on a topic that you're passionate about. For my people who are really, really good at improv or acting, there are also acting events where you're acting out what's happening, or you get an improv event, where you gotta think on the fly and give out information on a topic that you've only been able to research for a few minutes. Either way, I think it's gonna be great. If you guys check out that link at the bottom of the screen, if you go there, you can sign up. And don't forget, it has to all be in capital letters because the internet's wonky and it's probably Mr. Lilly's fault.
Not probably, definitely.
Definitely.
Also, if you think your parents will want to be involved, please reach out to them. We will be looking for judges to help us in the near future as well.
And let's be honest, if you did your homework and cleaned your room, you probably want your parent to judge. If you didn't, probably not. That's what it is.